Hi guys, so I'll be giving you tips on how to pass your data annotation test today. So first of all, if you know how to code, when you get to the website, go to the top right and click on know how to code, then you click on get started, register with your email and your phone number. If you do not know how to code, once you get to the website, click on the get started that is right in front of you and register with your email and phone number. It's meant to lead you to a test. If it does not lead you to a test, then there's a problem. Also, the website is dataannotation.tech. That's the website. If you know how to code, your pay is between $40 to $45. If you do not know how to code, your pay is between $20 to $25. So now to the tips. Guys, you need to pay attention to details like closely when you're reading those questions. Data annotation, day-to-day tasks, is basically you optimizing the AI. You need to trying to get the AI to be more efficient to users, and that reflects in the test. So if you're able to pass the test, you'll be able to do well when you're doing the tasks, because mind you, your work gets evaluated and before being approved after every 7 days. So the first thing is use Google, use Amazon, do your search for the questions, and for the part that you're meant to write a story, pay attention to all the instructions given. Make sure you use the specified number of sentences that you're required to. Make sure every detail given in the prompt or the question reflects in the story. And lastly, please use Grammarly. Use Grammarly and correct your grammar after writing the story. The third stage is you evaluating responses from AI, very similar to what you'll be doing when you get the job. Please pay very close attention to details, and you can search, don't assume, search the question and compare what the response is there. You're allowed to use Google, they don't stop you from using Google. The only issue is do not use ChatGPT. I feel like they have a way, they always detect when you use ChatGPT and you do not get in. So that's about it. They take people from outside the US, but like I said earlier in the live, I don't think they take people from Nigeria, unfortunately. They take people from the UK. The payment mode is through PayPal. I think I've answered most of the questions that always comes up for data annotation. So the website is dataannotation.tech. I'll be putting it down in my caption, and I think I'm going to write it also in this video. So I wish you guys best of luck with the assessment.